Fujimi's 1:350 scale kit of the U-class submarine, built by the Japanese Army in World War II to supply its garrisons throughout the Pacific Islands. It displaced around 270-280 tons and was powered by a diesel-electric motor, according to Japanese warships of World War II. It could get on the surface 10.5 knots in speed and could carry up to 40 tons of cargo. And it carried also a 37mm gun on the deck. It had a crew of around 20, and this box contains 4 kits so that you can build up a collection. They are not waterline, so some modification is needed to make them waterline models if you want to use them for a diorama or for gaming purposes. The instructions are well detailed, and although they're in Japanese, it is possible to, if you follow the steps which are numbered, you should be able to build a good model of the kit. The plastic is clear, a little bit overscale, but it looks right when finished, and photo etch is supplied. The hulls, of course, you would have to cut to waterline if you wanted to. The photo etch is easy to work with, but you do need some experience modeling in order to use photo etch. Well, I'll sit back and let you enjoy the video.